Hello, my name is Jeff Ferris. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect at Jitterbit. Today we're going to take a look at moving data between the Magento e-commerce platform and the NetSuite ERP platform. So the agenda today is to take a look at the current state of what we typically see. We can talk about how Jitterbit's going to improve those processes. We'll take a quick look and see Jitterbit move data in between systems, and then we will end on a conclusion. So this is a pretty typical layout that we see where customers have Magento order processing their orders on the front end, and NetSuite actually doing the fulfillment of the orders, keeping track of sales, items like that. And a lot of time when people are first getting started out, they will move this data manually via CSV between the two systems. This is going to be items like your inventory, your sales orders, your customers, and your shipments. So these are the issues that we're typically seeing out there with this methodology. So orders take a long time to process, mainly because they're just not being sent over to NetSuite to then notify the warehouses to start the fulfillment. When things are fulfilled, oftentimes data gets lost and shipment notifications are not sent back to Magento, so the customers aren't aware that their items are on their way. This provides some frustration. And usually this one's a big deal when your inventory is not up to date and customers start placing orders for items that you don't have sitting in your warehouse, which results in an upset customer that will occasionally cancel their order and go to somebody else due to this. So here's how Jitterbit can improve those processes, or how it will look with Jitterbit. So rather than a manual export, everything is automated, everything is pushed as soon as it occurs. And the benefits to this is that you can start processing orders as soon as they happen. Everything's happening in real time. It makes for a better experience for your customers. Shipment notifications are always going to be delivered, and so customers know as soon as your products are out the door, they know about it and they know when it's going to arrive. Inventory is always up to date, so you don't have to worry about people ordering products that you don't have sitting in your warehouse, which is going to increase customer satisfaction. So let's take a look at Jitterbit in action. I'm going to bring up, first I'm going to bring up Magento. And I wanted to just show you that I have customers over here in Magento. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you that this customer does not exist in NetSuite. So let's go ahead and change that. I'm going to switch over to the Jitterbit Web Management Console, and I'm going to fire off something that we call an operation, and that's going to move data in between the two systems. Now, this does take a moment or two, so let's give it that, and probably by now it's already occurred. So here's our customer. And as you can see, data is moved across. And it's just as easy taking data and moving it back from NetSuite to Magento. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll show you that I have no products sitting over here in my Magento instance. And let's go ahead and fix that. I'm going to just go ahead and run this. And again, this takes a moment to go off and move the data across. We're talking over web services here, so we can't say down to the millisecond, but we can definitely say this will run within a matter of seconds. So by this time, the catalog should have pulled all of its data. Let's go ahead and refresh. Okay, and now you can see that we have products over here in Magento. Now, this was just a quick demonstration to show you how automation through Jitterbit can increase your uh, efficiency for your business processes, which is going to lower your operating costs, and it's going to increase customer satisfaction. It also provides an overall view of both of your systems. So now, rather than having to wait for data to flow in between, they will automatically be brought over via a schedule, which can be run all the way down to a minute. Again, my name is Jeff Ferris. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect here at Jitterbit. I'd like to thank you for your time and look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.